Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, 26th of November 2018. So, the reaction to the Brexit deal from the pound is nothing, which I expected a far bigger reaction than this, given that the markets had been half-day trading up until the weekend and then closed. You'd expect some sort of a gap down and then, possibly trade back to the upside once this deal had been agreed over the weekend, but absolutely nothing. It's very, very strange. So I would say this is the calm before the storm for this one, because this makes no sense at all. Wait till the traders have woken up, got into work, gone over the deal to find the points, then expect, I would say, some sort of weakness. You can see the reaction on Thursday when the deal was done. The market shot up, buying, selling pressure, selling, confirmation of selling, market straight back down, and then traded sideways when it bounced back off the 128 level there. And then Friday, the market drifting lower, waiting for May to sign the deal. See some buying here as the market comes down and tests. Not a huge amount of volume, it's only just up to the average line. And then a bit of a shakeout in the market sideways. And at the moment, sideways to higher. Got the 200 bar moving average in the way and the DP as well, so watch these levels as prices move higher. Today, the main event is going to be Carney and Draghi. No doubt they'll have something to say about what's happened over the last few days, so keep an eye on these 2 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. It may have some impact, given now some sort of a deal is proposed. It's signed, isn't it? But still got to go through the houses of, or through the Commons first. Meanwhile, in the Dow, obviously 2 half days and a day shut last week. Market moving lower, drifting back down towards these levels here. I thought we may have seen the 24,120, but if this level is taken out, the market's going to move lower. However, we now have Thanksgiving out of the way. It could give the market the opportunity to head back to the all-time highs for the Santa rally. If not, we'll soon find out, because watch the 200 bar moving average and also watch for prices trying to trade back above the 76% retracement, which will be this level here. Should they manage to get above the 200 bar moving average first. So watch this closely during today and on Friday. You can see very narrow range, and again half day trading, so not really that relevant. One thing I have noticed, I'm going to look at this a lot more, is the sell signals at the 200 bar moving average and the buy signals at the 200 bar moving average line as well. Very interesting dynamics going on, especially if it's combined with pivot points as well. So have a look at that as the market unfolds. And then finally, good shakeout at the weekend in Bitcoin. We've been looking for a shakeout for some time, and this is, I've spoken about this so often that you need to do this, and of course you do it when nobody's looking. That's the trick. Shake everybody out when they're, either celebrating Thanksgiving, having their Sunday lunch, whatever it is, because obviously this trades over the weekends. Down the pub with your mates or watching the football, they managed to shake the market to the downside. No selling on the Saturday. Interestingly enough, you can see there they've just managed to move the market lower, and then yesterday you see the buying coming back into this market as the pain is given to those that bought in at the top of this market at the $19,500 level there. And that's a quick roundup, back up to speed. Let's see what happens with the Brexit deal today. Also, how the Dow starts to settle down, see if there is any Santa rally in sight, and see if Bitcoin can maintain its move back towards the upside following the testing over the weekend. And with that, if there's anything to report, I will let you know. But otherwise, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.